What to expect at your upcoming install.
Hey, I'm Dan with Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Thank you for choosing us to install your new heating and cooling system. We're excited to work with you. We know you may have some questions about what to expect during the installation process. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, breaking it down into 4 simple parts. How to get ready for the install, what will happen during the installation, what happens after the install, and what to do if something doesn't go as expected. Make sure the installation space is free of obstacles. Remove any items within 5 feet of where the new unit will go. Consider where your pets will be during the installation. It's best to keep them in a separate room or away from the work site. Double check your scheduled install date and time. The technician will arrive, introduce themselves, and review the installation plan with you. They'll wear booties to protect your floors and lay down floor coverings to keep everything clean. Your old unit will be safely removed and properly disposed of. The new system will be installed, ensuring everything is set up according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Once the installation is complete, the technician will test your new system to ensure everything is working properly. After the install, your tech will walk you through how the new system works and answer any questions. Depending on your local regulations, a city inspection may be required to ensure compliance. If you ever feel like you didn't receive the 5-star experience that we strive for, please do not hesitate to speak with our technician or give us a call. We're committed to making sure you're completely satisfied. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content from us. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Hey, stay cool and enjoy your new system.